Welcome. If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome to you also. Thank you for coming. In today's video, I am decorating 3 beds for our returning guests. I will be doing the same design on all 3 beds. I am doing towel art and I will be using the petals from the bougainvillea and also palm leaves. Please watch the video and see how I decorated these beds. It was a simple design but still pretty cute. I know they will like it. Watch the video and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for viewing this video. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and click on the subscription button if you have not already done so. Turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos and share this video with your families and friends. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear your feedback. Don't forget to check out the description box as well to see links to more videos when you are done watching. Enjoy the video, dear! I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next one.